Okay, okay. Figure out this camera. All right, I had to take my box out and gut that hole out better. Now you can see the RCA's, the power hole, the the hole that goes to the base knob. Everything's clear with no obstruction. So I should be able to run the wires like I'm doing through this and put everything back together and have it crispy clean and banging and mean and doing what it do. So see you in a few. Dang, so I got the old gear shifter out and damn 750 sitting up under it. Ain't that a blip? Okay, so we got all that situated. Time for that.